Hello students, so today I am here with another problem on projections of oblique plane. If you remember, last time we discussed about an oblique case of an oblique plane when the surface of the plane will be inclined to HP and one of the side of the plane will be parallel to HP and inclined to VP by some angle. So today we are taking the reverse case of that. Now this time the problem will be the surface of the plane will be inclined to the VP and one of the side which is parallel to the VP and inclined to the HP by some angle theta degree. As earlier we know that whenever we solve these type of problems, this surface word will be the most important word for us. So according to this surface, as they are saying the surface will be inclined to some angle phi degree to VP. So my initial position of the plane will be, suppose the surface of the plane will be parallel to the VP. So if it is parallel to VP, we should start with the front view, and as they are saying one of the side is parallel to VP, so keep that side perpendicular to HP as we are drawing front view, and then rotate initially with the HP by some angle phi degree, and later on the side which kept parallel to VP will be made inclined to HP by some angle theta. Right now I am taking an example of an equilateral triangle. Suppose I have an equilateral triangle of 50 mm side, and the problem will be like the same way that the surface of this equilateral triangle will be inclined to HP by suppose some angle 45 degree, and one of the side is kept parallel to VP and inclined to HP by some angle 30 degree. So this is problem. So if I read the problem, then initially what I will suppose that my plane will be, step 1 will be, so the step 1, our problem will be an equilateral triangle of 50 mm side, surface inclined 45 degree to VP, one side parallel to VP and inclined 30 degree to HP. So this is the simple problem. So now as the surface will be inclined to VP, my step 1 will be, suppose surface is parallel to VP, so front view is true shape and begin with front view. Then one condition, as we want to keep one side parallel to VP, so keep one side perpendicular to HP. So on that logic, I will start with this figure like this. I will hold it like this so that one of the side, this side will be perpendicular to the HP. So initially I have drawn this figure. This is the front view. Now I will name that this will be A dash, this is B dash, and this is C dash. I will project the top view. So this will be A, B and C. This length will be 50 mm. This distance will be equal to this one, as this is parallel to VP. Now in the second stage, now keeping this side fixed, I will rotate it like this. So if I rotate it like this, now the surface will be inclined to VP by some angle, and that angle we are going to take 45 degree, and it is still perpendicular to the HP. So initially the top view will be in this figure, the top view will rotate by 45 degree. Keeping AC fixed, I will rotate B downside, and with the help of that figure we can easily project the front view. So that is the second step. What I am going to make in the second step, I am going to make this plane surface of the plane inclined to VP by this 45 degree angle, keeping it parallel to VP. incline, I want to make it inclined to VP by some angle, keeping it perpendicular to HP. So I will rotate this by 45 degree. So this will rotate like this. As you know that if we make the plane inclined to VP, the length of the top view is not going to change. So copy the same top view length from the earlier figure. So this is the figure, this is A, this is C, and this point will be B. This angle will be 45 degree. Now with the help of this top view, we can easily project the front view. So for front view, draw the locus line initially. Draw 3 locus line for triangle. Now from the top view, we will drop projectors upside. So only 2 projectors will come upside, and we got these points. This is A dash, this is B dash, and this is C dash. If I join these by straight lines, now this is the next figure. Now as you see that now the plane will be inclined to VP by some angle 45 degree and is still perpendicular to HP. Now in the third step, I want to make the side which is still kept parallel to VP, that side will be AC side. I am going to make that inclined 45 degree to the HP. So that will be right at this moment, this line will be perpendicular to we are at this position. So right at this moment, this side will be perpendicular to HP. Now I am going to make it inclined to HP by some angle 30 degree. So now the figure will be rotated like this. As you know that when we will make the plane inclined to HP by some angle, the front view is not going to change again. Now the top view is going to change. So again the next figure will be exactly copy of this figure, with this side A dash C dash, which is still kept parallel to VP, will be inclined to HP by some angle 30 degree. So for that I will draw a line at 30 degree inclination at any position. So this line will be 30 degree inclined to XY line. I will draw a line 30 degree inclined to this, and on this line I will shift this, that is A dash and C dash. So this is the new A dash C dash at 30 degree inclination with the XY line horizontal. This is A dash and this is C dash. Now with reference to these points, I can easily copy the third point, that is B dash, by taking these 2 lengths. And this is the third point. Now look at this figure. Now one of the side that is kept parallel to VP is now inclined at 30 degree to the HP. Now with the help of that I can easily draw the top view. As you know that when the plane will be inclined to HP by some angle, the distance of the top view is not going to change again. So I will draw the locus line from the lower 2 points, and from this figure I will shift down, and that will be, so this is B dash, so the B dash point will be in the lower line. This is A dash, this is C dash, and the figure will be, so this is point B dash, oh sorry, this is point, actually the point is C dash, not B dash, and this point will be our B dash. So this is A dash, so this is A, this will be C, and lower side I will get the point B. If I join these 3 points, so this is A, B and C. If I join these 2 points, rather say 3 points, this is A and this point will be actually B. Little correction is there. So you can see this is A dash, so this point will be, extreme point will be the point A, and this point will be point B. Now it will be correct. Now you can join easily these 3 points. The figure will be like this. So this is the projection of a plane, a triangle, oblique triangle, when the surface of the plane will be inclined to HP by some angle theta 5 degree, and one of the side which is kept parallel to VP is inclined to HP by some angle 30 degree. I hope you understand the problem. Solve this problem in your sketchbook. If having any doubt, call me and clear your doubts. Thank you.